Often compared to lobster, Queensland spanner crabs are irresistibly succulent and the perfect accompaniment to my spanner crab omelette. Your wok or frying pan needs to be pretty hot for this recipe to come out really successfully. So first of all, I am frying my rice. What I've done is I've cooked this rice and it's gone into an oven just to dry out. So it's dry cooked rice. What I'm doing is popping it into some hot oil and creating a beautiful crispy puff rice that has a gorgeous nutty flavor and will give this dish some wonderful texture. Next up, I'm frying the broccoli until it's just a little bit golden. Even a touch charred is okay. The last part of the omelette is really quick and very, very simple. So I've got mixed together the cream and eggs. We're going to add in half of the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. And this is basically going straight into our scorching hot frying pan. So you want the pan to be quite steaming. Excuse me, my honey. All right. I'm going to give it a little bit of a help, so just to kind of cook it just that little bit faster, just to bring those curds into the center of the pan, almost like, really, I mean it is an omelette. Now you can do this in a frying pan as well as a wok, so if you've only got a frying pan, pop it in the fry pan and yeah, it'll work just as good. So while the egg's still a little bit wet, we want to start layering all our gorgeous flavors. So go on with that fried broccoli, beautiful Fraser Isle spanner crab, which comes so conveniently cooked, frozen in a packet, and then really, really easy to add into any kind of dish. All right, and then we're going to flip. Now you might need to phone a friend for this. So do the best you can. That's it, beautiful. Turn the heat off because the egg will then continue cooking. Actually, I'm going to start from this side. I have done about 3 or 4 of these, and each time they come out different, but that's what we like about food. All right, give that a really beautiful flip like that. Oh my goodness. And then straight onto our plate. Oh, sweetie, how's that? All right, fabulous. I'm so happy with the way this has turned out. Okay, so that combination of oyster and soy, just a little kind of drizzle over the top. We're going to go on with some beautiful fresh ginger and a lovely mixture of coriander, bean shoots or bean sprouts, chili, and a little bit of shallot. So pop a bit of that on top. Gorgeous. We've got our crispy, our little black sesame seeds, crispy rice. Oh my God, this is making me so hungry. And of course, our beautiful little finger limes. So these are the little round ones, which I've just kind of cut in half. And all you need to do is just give them a little bit of a squeeze. Brings out all of those gorgeous little bursts of citrus and also that beautiful native Australian lime juice. Drizzle of sesame oil, and we're done.